Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about nesting loop. Nesting loop, it's basically you're gonna put a for loop inside another for loop. Look at that. Let's have an example. Here is it. We will have an outer loop and that one will start right from 1 and that I less than or equal to 5 and I plus plus. Perfect. And as usual, we are putting here console.log to print out the I. But this time we will put another for loop inside this for loop. Look at that. I will say let j equal to 1 and j is less than or equal to 3 and j plus plus. And inside this for loop, we will print out console.log, and here is it. I have to just print j. Alright, so what it will happen here? Here the first outer loop will start, right, at I equal 1. Is 1 is less than 5? Yes. So this for loop, which is basically inner for loop, we're gonna name it inner for loop. This one will repeat it how many times? Yeah, take your time. Yes, correct. It will repeat 3 times. First of all, he will 1, after that 2, after that 3, because the condition here, I'm telling him here stop on 3. So this one will repeat it 3 times at the first time. After that, he will start with I equal 2. Is 2 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. So he will repeat that one another triple times. And so on. Number 3 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. So he will repeat that one another triple time. Is 4 less than or equal to 5? Yes. So he will repeat that one triple times. And lastly, he will do the same here. So we are talking about how many times, and here is it. If you can see, the first time 1 2 3, another time 1 2 3, the third time 1 2 3, the fourth time 1 2 3, and the last one 1 2 3. So we are talking about 15 lines. Perfect. How can you know? Because that one is 5 times and inside it it's just 3 times. So 3 times 5, we are talking about 15 times. Man, this is very hugely used in your daily tasks, especially if you are dealing with two-dimension array, which we're gonna talk about it later in our session. So if you are dealing with that array, you need to know how you're gonna use nesting loop. Thank you for watching and see you in next session. Keep coding.